Now that we've covered the fundamentals of SEO, let's dive into some basic SEO techniques that you can use to optimize your website and content. These techniques will help improve your site's visibility on search engines and attract more organic traffic. One of the most important aspects of SEO is keyword research. Keywords are the terms that people type into search engines when they're looking for information. By identifying the right keywords for your business, you can create content that aligns with what your audience is searching for. To start, you need to use keyword research tools, such as Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest, to find relevant keywords related to your business. These tools will help you discover keywords with high search volume and low competition. Once you have your keywords, you can incorporate them into your content, but it's important to use them naturally. Stuffing your content with keywords can hurt your rankings, so aim for a balance between optimization and readability. When optimizing your website content, it's crucial to use keywords strategically. Place your primary keyword in the title of your page or blog post, within the first 100 words of the content, and in headings throughout the page. Additionally, include the keyword in the meta description, which is the short summary that appears below the title in search engine results. This helps search engines understand what your content is about and improves your chances of ranking for that keyword. In addition to keyword optimization, creating high-quality content is essential for SEO. Content that provides value, answers questions, and solves problems is more likely to rank well on search engines. When writing blog posts or creating other types of content, aim for thorough, informative articles that address your audience's pain points. Longer content tends to perform better on search engines, so consider writing comprehensive articles that cover a topic in depth. Another technique to improve your SEO is optimizing your images. Search engines cannot see images, but they can read the alt text, which is a description of the image. Including relevant keywords in the alt text of your images can help improve your SEO. Additionally, make sure your images are compressed to ensure your website loads quickly. Website speed is a ranking factor, so faster loading pages tend to perform better in search results. Finally, building backlinks is crucial for improving your website's authority and ranking. Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your content, and they signal to search engines that your content is credible and valuable. To build backlinks, consider guest blogging, collaborating with other businesses, or promoting your content on social media. The more high-quality backlinks you have, the higher your site will rank in search engine results. In conclusion, SEO is a powerful tool for driving organic traffic to your website. By conducting keyword research, optimizing your content, and building backlinks, you can improve your website's ranking on search engines. In the next module, we will discuss email marketing basics and how to use email to nurture leads and drive conversions.